Hello everyone, in case you haven't paid attention, now AI shoppers convert 42% better than Google traffic. This is incredible news for e-commerce, and this is a report by Adobe corroborated by Shopify that shows an 80-point swing in 12 months, right? And this is incredible. A report came out a month ago, and this will make us discuss today why AI traffic converts better than organic traffic. And the data looks incredible, so I'll also leave you the link to this article, which is super important, this report. We will discuss why this happens, why AI skips you personally, what are the gaps that we can work on, and how to get cited, right? Which is super important. And then possibly own the citations game on AI search, right? Something interesting to notice that might discourage most of you is that if you just notice the data about absolute traffic by channel, you would immediately give up on AI traffic because it's nothing compared to traditional organic traffic. Another interesting data is that if we look at the crawl to refer ratio, which is the ratio of HTML page crawl requests to HTML page referrals by platform, what it means for us is that AI crawls like 700 pages and just returns one to the user, and the user might not even use that link, right? But the truth is that 42% is everything you need to know, because what it means is that if the user goes to your shop or your website, he's 42% more likely to convert and to purchase and to buy from you, which is incredibly motivating on the other end. And some other interesting data that I think about, the Gen AI search ads is expected to reach 100 billion by 2030. ChatGPT already started ChatGPT ads exclusively on some countries, United States, Australia, UK, and some other ones, and you can take a look at it. But they do expect in 4 years to reach 100 billion. So this is what this swing means as well. Is one of the fastest reversals ever. So the first thing we can say is the reversal is real. The second thing is that intent matured, which means AI users now arrive pre-researched and far closer to a decision. So the influence outruns the footprint. So why AI skips you or your website personally? So first of all, you can't fix a channel your analytics refuses to show you. So for example, AI lands in direct or referral in your Google Analytics. So no default group for GA4 yet. So GA4 hides AI by design. So basically there are a lot of decisions happening and made, but without data. It is fixable with one custom channel group. But the truth is, if AI traffic hides inside direct, you'll never justify optimizing for it. So first thing to do really is create a custom channel group that captures ChatGPT, Gemini, and Perplexity referrers. Segment by source to compare AI versus organic conversion honestly, and report monthly. All this stuff you can do on Google Analytics. So another problem is entity confusion. AI can't place who you are. Okay, so if AI can't tell who you are, it won't cite you. So on your website, you need to clearly identify who you are, what you do, to avoid mixed signals across the web that is reflected on every channel. Because something else AI does is cross-checks your identity across sources before it trusts you. And if you have a different story per platform, the mismatching happens. So AI can't verify you, competitors win the spot, even by default sometimes, or because they are just randomly clearer than you. Trust gap is real, so verification fails, right? And verification precedes citation, so AI confirms your identity before it will quote you. So how to get cited? What should we do? So first of all, the most important thing is, if it is possible, can you conduct your own research and come up with original data based on the industry and niche or field you're in? That will be gold for AI. So original data turns your page into the source AI has to cite. Own a number. When AI needs a stat in your space and nobody else has it but you do, you will be the one it will quote, right? Which is super important. So publish a small original story in your specific niche. Present findings as clean, clearly attributable stats. Make the data easy to quote and easy to link. And fix entity consistently. Tell one clear story about who you are everywhere. So align homepage, about page, they should tell the same story that names your entity and category. One identity means to get cited everywhere. So consistency is the cheapest citation lever you have. So if you get cited across AI, you will end up capturing the highest converting traffic online. So publish original data and structure it for extraction. AI engine cites you across Google AI Mode, Gemini, and ChatGPT, and you earn traffic that converts 42% better than organic. So if you want to see where you stand, we have a free quick check tool on Quality AI, which I'll show you. So all you have to do is come to this website, quality.ai, and we have a free quick check tool, and all you have to do is place your website URL in here and run the quick check, and in 2 minutes you'll have a report ready that will show you where you stand, where are you mentioned, and you will check visibility across ChatGPT, Gemini, and Google AI Mode, and you will also see where your competitors stand, and let's say that's a good starting point. So that's it. I'll leave the link in the description under this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.